Anyone know anything about sump pumps? Because I have water in here and it's not pumping out because whatever is happening with this shit is being a nut fucking case. I literally turned the alarm off and it like will not stop. I'm doing this. Just been doing this. And then I unplug it. I'm literally unplugged it. And it's still doing it. So like I don't know. I'm pushing it to reset. Nothing's happening. Anything? Nothing. Nothing. I don't know, guys. I don't want to get like electrocuted. So does anybody have a fucking idea? Or let's see if we're still beeping. Yep, I hear it. Yep. We're still beeping. And the water is the same exact level as it was yesterday.
Let me see.
It didn't go down anymore.
Let me see.
Not that I think.
Shine the light in there. I think it went down a little more.